friend, welcome back, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to play Mudhal Nee song on our flute like I played before. That part how to play on our flute. Okay, so this is an easy flute tutorial. I think even a beginner can try this one because it has only basic and plain notes. There's no any flat notes, so I think even beginner can try to play this one. And so let's see how to play this song. Before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. And notation you can get it from my blog, link in the description. So if you need notation, you can check it. Okay, so let's see how to play this part step by step. First line goes like ni dha ni, ni dha ni ni, ni sa dha ni pa. Okay, ni dha ni, ni dha ni ni, ni sa dha ni pa. Okay, let me show you. Okay, repeat that line for 2 times. Okay, that's why I said this one is easy. Every line is repeating. So first line you need to repeat 2 times. Okay, repeat that line for 2 times and then padani ni, padani ni, padani ni 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 sa ni pada da 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 ni da pada. Once again, padani ni, padani ni, padani ni 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 sa ni pada da 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 sa da ni da pada. Okay, repeat that line for 2 times. When you play the second time, last part goes like this. For second time, you need to play some notes very fast. The notation notes are pa sa ni sa, pa sa ni sa ni da. Okay, pa sa ni sa ni da, pa sa ni sa ni da. Pa sa ni sa is going very fast. Pa sa ni sa ni da. I will show you once again. Like that. Okay, so that part is done, and then last part. Pa ni 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 pa, pa ni 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 pa. Okay, and then pa sa 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 ni da pa dha, pa sa 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 ni da pa sa pa dha, sorry, pa sa 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 ni da pa dha. Okay, repeat that line for 2 times like this. When you play for second time, pa pa ni 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 sa ni da. Okay, pa ni 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 sa ni da, pa ni 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 da, like this. That's it, guys. So now you know how to play Mudhal Nee song on your flute. Okay, so as I say, this is an easy one, and I hope you guys quickly learn how to play this one through this video. And so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and this video, and let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Let's meet in another one. Until that, bye bye.